So check this out. I was at Michael's the other day, had to pick up a few other things, and I decided to check out the silicone molds and see what they had, and I found this one. As you can see, it is leaves, and I also picked up some dies, and we're going to go ahead and make something out of it. It is by Celebrate It. There you go. Let's get started and see what we can do. I'm going to go ahead and get the resin in its warm bath, and let's do this. Resin is out of its warm water bath. If you don't know why you put the resin in the warm water, it's to help it mix easier. It makes it a little bit more fluid, stirs easier, mixes easier, and it releases its bubbles a lot faster. So I will have a tutorial on that here shortly. But when I was at Michael's, I also picked up these here, and it's a 4 different colors. Alright, so here they all are. I have copper, my favorite color, metal, whatever you want to call it. This is a burgundy. This is a mauve. And this one here is called cream. Alright, so first off, we're going to go ahead and mix up some resin. I'm not going to fill these molds all the way up. I just want little shallow ones, probably about 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch thick. But notice how, I don't know if it's going to show up very well, but they do divot down, so you have to make sure I get it up tall enough. We're going to go ahead and mix up this, which is 100 milliliters. So we're going to go 50 and 50 because this is a 1-to-1 ratio. That's all mixed up, so now we're going to go ahead and take this to the vacuum chamber. Okay, we're back. Our resin is nice and clear. So now we're going to go ahead and pour it. And how I'm going to do this, I'm going to pour the clear resin, and then I'm just going to drop a few drops into each one. And I picked up these handy dandy little things. They're just mixing spoons. And I'm going to use those to mix up the colors within each one. So okay, so as you can see, we have air bubbles. No matter if you use a vacuum chamber or not, when you make your pour, you will have air bubbles on the top. You can use a flame, or what I'm using is a heat gun. Alright, and there you have it. So the first pour to this is done. These are going to set for 24 hours, and we'll be back to start the rest of it. Those ones are really neat. Alright, let's get busy.